Hi all, this is the fifth part of our architecture awareness questions. So we have completed 80 questions and you will get those questions in the previous videos. So we are moving to the question number 81. The question is Triveni Kala Sangam has been designed by whom? The options are Joseph Allenstein, B.V. Doshi, Arun Raj, A.P. Kanvinde. Right answer is Joseph Allenstein. Next question is Master Plan of Independent Delhi was started by whom? The options are Raj Rewal, Sharad Das, Ram Sharma, Lois Khan. Right answer is Raj Rewal. Next question Rashtrapati Bhavan has been designed in which style? The options are Gothic, Classical, New Classical, Baroque. Right answer is Classical. 84th question Chandigarh has been designed by whom? The options are Louis Kahn, Lowry Baker, Le Corbusier, none of these. The right answer is Le Corbusier. 85th question Parliament Annex has been designed by whom? The options are Faribus Saba, F.W. Benjamin, Herbert Baker, E. Lutyens. The answer is Herbert Baker. 86th question Assembly Hall Chandigarh has been designed by whom? Options are S.N. Prasad, Le Corbusier, F.L. Wright, Ram Sharma. The answer is Le Corbusier. Moving to next question Asian Games Village is designed by whom? The options are Raj Rewal, Ajay Chowdhury, Ram Sharma, M.M. Rana. Right answer is Raj Rewal. Next question Where is Whitehall? Options are Paris, Washington, New York, London. The right answer is London. Next question Red Square is in which place? The options are Moscow, Alma Ata, Boston, Miami. This answer is Moscow. 90th question Which country is also called Land of Cakes? The options are Finland, Thailand, Scotland, Switzerland. The answer is Scotland. Next question The largest dome in the world? Options are Singapore National Stadium, Cowboy Stadium, Gol Gumbaz, Pantheon. The right answer is Singapore National Stadium. Next question Where is National Gallery of Modern Art located? The options are Mumbai, Chennai, Kolkata, New Delhi. The right answer is New Delhi. Moving to next question Who built Juma Masjid in Delhi? Options are Shah Jahan, Aurangzeb, Dara Shikoh, Rasia Sultan. The answer is Shah Jahan. 94th question Who built the Great Wall of China? Options are Qin Shi Huang, Huang Ho, Yan Seking, Confucius. The right answer is Qin Shi Huang. 91st question The well-known work of Leonardo da Vinci is? The options are Symphony, Mona Lisa, books on psychology, books on mathematics. The answer is Mona Lisa. 96th question Who wrote The Wonder That Was India? Options are A.L. Basham, K.P.S. Menon, B.B. Aluwaila, R.K. Narayan. The right answer is A.L. Basham. Next question The Fountainhead, a story about an architect, is written by whom? The options are James Jay, William Smith, Henry James, Ayn Rand. Right answer is Ayn Rand. 98th question. Granite belongs to which rock category? Options are igneous rock, sedimentary rock, metamorphic rock, calcareous rock. The right answer is igneous rock. Next question. The hardwood is, options are fir, kale, pine, teak. Correct answer is teak. So question number 100 is, which variety of glass is heat resistant? Options are flint glass, sheet glass, Pyrex glass, bottle glass. The right answer is Pyrex glass. So we have completed 100 questions today. For getting further videos, please subscribe our channel and watch the previous videos also.